Hi everyone, and in this video I will show you how to knit these patterns. This is a beautiful textured pattern for hat, snood or sweaters. For this pattern I cast on odd number of stitches. The pattern repeats every 2 stitches and 4 rows. So you should cast on number of stitches multiply 2 plus 1 stitch for symmetry and 2 edge stitches. First row, front side. Take off the edge stitch and knit like this. Purl 1, slip 1 with yarn in front, and again purl 1, slip 1 in yarn in front. Repeat until the end. Two last stitch of this row, purl 1 and knit the edge stitch. It was the first row, front side. Second row, wrong side. Take off the edge stitch and alternate. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, until the end of the row. Two last stitch of the end of the row. Knit 1 and knit the edge stitch. The second row is ready. It was wrong side. Third row, front side. Take off the edge stitch and knit all stitches. Knit 1, knit 1, knit 1. Continue to the end of the rows. Knit the last edge stitch too. It was third row, 4 row, wrong side. It's the last row of repeat. Take off the edge stitch and purl off stitches. Purl 1, purl 1, purl 1. Continue to the end of the row. Knit the edge stitch. I have done 4 rows. This is the repeat of this pattern. Go back to the first row and repeat until you reach the height you want. Look at the texture and relief. This is the front side of this pattern, and this is the wrong side of this pattern. This pattern is perfect for a hat, snoods, scarf or sweaters. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and click the bell and save the video to your playlist. Thank you. Bye bye.